Hello, Stuart. What's this you've got? It's a brain. Oh, can you tell me a bit more about it? Of course I can. This is the overall outside structure of the brain when you remove the skull and the meninges. And you can see that it's really, really folded. Oh, how interesting. So, let me talk you through what we can see on the outside of the brain. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
His voice has changed. This is the front of the brain. And this is the back of the brain. And it's a side view. So, how do I know that? This blob at the back, which isn't orange in real life, is called the cerebellum. And that's always at the back. This blue thing coming down from the brain, the thin bit at the bottom is the spinal cord. And up here we've got the brainstem. So we're interested in the top bit first of all. It's not in different colours in real life, it all looks the same. But the folded bits are similar or the same in everybody. So you can identify regions by looking at where there's little valleys there. Big valleys are called fissures, and there's this big one down the middle here which separates the front of the brain and the back of the brain. And then there's another one that goes along here which separates this side bit. Okay, so we've got the frontal cortex. Sit still.
Sorry.
Or, sorry, the cortex is the whole structure. So this is the front bit. We can, instead of calling it the frontal cortex, we can call it the frontal lobe when we're referring to all this section here. Now the back bit there, to this side of this fissure, this big valley down the middle, is called the parietal lobe. Shift. And then the bit right at the very back is the occipital lobe. And the bit on the side, which is sort of by your ears, is called the temporal lobe. Okay, so the occipital lobe at the back is generally to do with vision. Yay. The temporal lobe on the side is to do with hearing. Can I draw an ear? Draw a little earring in it. There you go. The frontal lobe is to do with all those higher brain functions, so intelligence and that sort of stuff. And the parietal lobe here is to do with sensory information. I think that'll do.